Go. Come on. Let's go. Go.
Whoa.
Go.
You get
Go.
mad.
Go. 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 Go.
Alright guys, we're back at Sweet Home Powerton. So if you guys saw on the previous video, we caught a 38-pound blue at Powerton, which was pretty great, pretty good. Although we went here last time at the same, well, not the same spot, but pretty dang close. We didn't catch anything, but we're hoping that changes today. And you guys won't see that video of us catching nothing because we don't post videos with no fish. So today, we're hopefully gonna post this video. If you're seeing this, we did. So we're gonna try to get on a giant blue cat today. We got a very popular spot somehow. Almost everybody went to the right. So that's pretty dang good. Geese are super angry, but we got a good spot. We're gonna take our baits out. We got some sucker with us. I'll show you the baits in a second. But we're gonna try to see if we can't get us a monster blue cat today. We'll see. So hope you guys enjoy the video and please stay tuned. And by the way, sorry on the delay of the sea arc. We'll definitely have it next week. We're pretty sure, about 90% positive we will have the boat by next week. I'm sorry, we already got some baits out. I'm sorry I forgot to show you the bait, but this is this bait right here, sucker chunk. We also got chunks on all of them besides blue rod. Blue rod has a giant head of a sucker. This is kind of a tail chunk. Hellcat has a tail chunk. Gear rod has kind of a body chunk. So, yep, we're gonna get these baits out there. Hopefully we can't get us a giant. Yup, fish on. Yup. Ah. Yup. Yup. It's running. Ah. Yup, it's on. Just running at me. This drag is so messed up. Whoa. He's ripping drag. It's like barely reeling. Dude, it's...
Stop. You got the drags all messed up. Okay, go, 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 go. Is that better?
Yup. Yup. Oh, this is a big fish. Yup. Yup. He's doing some, he did some giant head shakes. He's running towards me. Whoa.
That's right here.
Yeah, I see eggs. Ah. I don't know how big he is. Camera. Whoa, trying to drag. He's trying to. He didn't. I don't know. Probably 10 or 15. Feels so much lighter with these 3-ounce weights.
Yeah, that helps.
He was running at me a lot in the fight though. I don't think he's that big. He was ripping drag at the start though. Trying to rip drag. It is?
Get him over here. Not a record, but it's 20, I'd say.
Is it 20?
Oh, I'd say 20 for sure.
Oh. Yeah.
It's barely hooked though.
Barely hooked?
Yeah.
That 3-ounce weight made such a difference.
I just took the hook right out.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. 23? Yep, 23. 23.
20 pounder.
Yep, 20 pounder.
Hi folks, we're out here at Powerton. First fish is on, still early, 20 pounder, nice blue, great fight. I know we keep promising you guys the boats, but I'm telling you that we've had some paperwork problems, but I think next week is the day. But anyway, we're out here at Powerton. We walked the 2 miles. We were out on the point. We got the spot and the fish are on. We got bites and now we got fish. We got fresh sucker. Kids killing them. We're catching pigs today. Boom!
Here it goes. All right, y'all. We just lost connection to our RC boat, and now it's probably long gone. At least it happened now instead of before, because next time we'll go fishing, we'll probably have those Sea Arc. We probably won't go bank fishing for a long time. Sadly, we lost the boat, but it happens.
Oh, fish on. Yep.
Yup. It's not bad either. Yeah, it's a good fish. That's a big fish.
Bring it out.
Oh my gosh, that's a giant.
Oh, keep throwing.
Yup, that's a tanker. Yup. Yup, it's a big dog.
Maybe it'll be worth it. We'll get it clean right out of the gate here. Pig.
Yeah, this is a piggy. Dude, it barely hit it, like, with a ton of head shakes, too. I totally thought it was little. It's big, though. 100%. Yep.
Right around, boy.
Oh. Yeah, this is a big dog. Good fish.
Nice. I want to get on. Could be the fish of the day.
Yeah, definitely.
Extend.
Oh my gosh, you see him splash?
That's a big fish, Brian.
Yeah.
I've never seen him at the top like that. Don't let him go away.
He must be in the bottom jaw. It's the only time they do that.
Could be.
Although it's not good if it's hooked in the bottom jaw.
Why?
Because.
I'll get him in the net. Looks like a good fish.
Yeah, it's a big fish. See him?
Yep. He's on top. That's really weird. Yeah, he must be hooked really weird. Actually doesn't look that big.
How do you know?
I don't know. Just looking at the valley. It's definitely coming in. It's on top.
Maybe I accidentally snagged him and that's why it feels big.
Yeah, it's not.
No, he's, dude. What? Dude, he felt like a piggy, man.
Sometimes they do.
He felt like a piggy, dude.
No, he's in the corner.
Dude, that's weird though. 14.
14 and a half.
So probably like
11.
11, yeah.
11 to 12. Fish number 2 coming in at 10 or 11 pounds. We did a fight in the craziest way and it came to the surface and we thought we saw a tail and we thought it was huge. I tell you what, it's the craziest thing ever, man. But I love fishing with this kid and we love fishing Powerton. So We're out here catching pigs. We're gonna stay on them. We got some baits out deep, but we're not gonna be able to fish deep anymore. Our boat is way out there. We had another malfunction with that red boat. Maybe it ain't the right boat. Anyway, okay, we're out here. This kid's getting close to 1,000. Give us the likes, give us the shares. Shares are big, comments are big. We love you guys. Out here at Powerton catching pigs.
Bye-bye, fishy. The giant one! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yep. Man, he was.
Still giant?
Yep. You need to put my phone back.
Where's it at?
It's in my pocket. Alright, it's in that pocket. Oh. I don't know how big it is. Dude, that takedown, man. It was the same takedown as that 20-pounder. Thump, then slowly went down. Can't tell if he's running. Oh, no. Something just broke. Dude, something broke off of that. I'm telling you, dude. I know, like barely, dude. I don't even think I have anything. Dude, I can't feel it at all.
Ripped out of his mouth.
Yeah, because that was locked on, hooked up. Yeah, just, dang it, man.
Yep,
got him. Yep. Snapping big time. Yep.
Good fish?
I don't know, I can't tell. Probably 15 at least. I'm just scared because that was a slack bite and we were down on it. And a lot of times whenever we do that, it's not hooked right. Wasted on a baby. Like, yeah. Baby. I mean, 3 pounds. Fish on! Shallow, shallow! Oops. Oh, that's not bad, dude. I don't know.
Camera on?
Dinker. that was quick.
Bigger than the last one.
Sure about that? I don't need to wait. He's probably another 3-pounder. Alright guys, we are now using Ziploc bags to get our bait out there. I mean, it's working. So basically the same thing as using balloons, except balloons would be probably a lot more efficient. But this is actually working. Yup, fish on! Finally guys, on the balloon. Yup. Oh, there's a big fish too. There's a big fish too. On the Ziploc, dude. I have to keep pressure, man.
Fine.
Finally, guys. Finally. It's big too, man. I can't, dude. Yep. Finally. There's no weight either. So, there's no weight on this, right?
No, it's all fish.
I just don't want to get it off.
You're fighting, buddy. Good job. Powerton, baby.
Let's go. It was on the balloon stuff thing. Yeah. I don't know how big it is. It's coming in easier than I thought. It's probably running towards me right now or something. I don't know.
Nah, it doesn't know what to do. It's balloon's holding it up in the air.
Felt big at the start, man. I don't know how big he is. He's getting close. I don't know how big he is. Oh, he's going under. Going under. I don't think he's that bad. Right? It's probably a 10-pounder maybe.
10-pounder.
Yep.
There we go, folks. Fish number 5. Nice 10-pounder off the balloon rig. First balloon rig fish ever caught by us. We had to go to desperate measures today, but that's what fishermen do. They figure out a way. This kid always figures out a way. That one fisherman out here at Powerton catching pigs.
I know, we kind of just gave up at the last part.
There he goes.
Yep.